melted butter. Then we have half a cup of powdered sugar, half and half, and then we're gonna fill a bottle cap of vanilla extract. I can't wait to taste this icing. Oh, I love that. I love me some butter and sugar. I just want to taste it right now, seriously. Yum. So good. So fascinating. Now you can add some artificial color or some natural color. We're just gonna leave it plain. So we're just gonna keep it plain, and we're gonna the color will be with the sprinkles. So good. Now we're gonna take this dough and cut it into halves, just like a half, and then it's easier to shape into a pretzel shape. So I'm gonna plop it down. It's really risen. I'm gonna put this little fuck in, and we're gonna roll this out into little sausage. Wiener dog. Ruff, 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 ruff. So now we're gonna make this into a pretzel shape. We want it to be a big, long, hissy snake. Animals, just animals. Animals and food, good combination. So we're gonna make this into a loop, right, like that. Then we're gonna put it down like this. And you can either do it like the simple way or the more realistic way. So I'm gonna put it down like this, and then we can go like this, or we can twist. And I prefer like this, more professional. So this guy, this is like his nose, these are his eye hole things, then this is his big beard. We're gonna cover him up and let him rise for 1 hour. And after that, we're gonna egg him. He's gonna take an egg shower, egg bath, whatever you want. So now we're gonna do the other batch. Now all we have to do is bake them. But first, we have to egg them. We have to make them go into the egg shower. Honey, get in the egg shower now. Get in the shower. All eggy and nice. Okay? Okay. So that will help make it nice and golden brown. So you can get clean. Now let's shower you up. And are we done yet? Yep, we're done. Now we're gonna pop her in the oven. Does it fit? Yeah, that fits all right. Now don't burn yourself. So now we're gonna let it sit for like 40 minutes at 225 degrees Celsius. Golden brown, golden brown, golden brown. So now we have a light one and a brown one. The brown one is a little bit darker because we cooked it longer. The light one is we cooked it perfectly. And we're gonna frost this. After we frost it, sprinkly time. Get the sides. Get the sides. Don't know why I'm saying it over and over again. And I don't know why I'm talking like this. Probably because I'm focusing on just this. Okay, we're done. We're done with that. We have to put the sprinkles on first to be done, but also to be done. Look at my home. So good. We're gonna put the stars on this side, these on this side. In the middle, and this side, because this one has a lot, so gotta sprinkle this up. Sprinkly goodness. So now we're gonna just pick a piece up and we're gonna try this dessert. Look at the inside, that's perfect. Let's do this. The icing is so good. Join me again for another episode of Harvey's Kitchen. Good luck on your journey to making this thing.